guys, I'm Hafsa. Welcome back to View My Vlogs channel. I'm going to do something amazing that my mom gave to me. I have a set to make a bracelet. There is everything you want. If there is heart shapes and the tiny ones and some beads. See, there's every kind of color. Here's a rose, then a butterfly, then a lemon kind of shape, and a circle. It's like a steering wheel. And then some candies, blue candies, and even more flowers, and some kind of fruits. This is pineapple, and this is some kind of fruit, and this is cherry. I like this. And this is some kind of shape, I don't know. And even more roses and some hearts. Also there are letters and the zigzags. So here's the string for the bracelet. So I'm going to choose a bracelet from here to do. I'm going to choose this bracelet because it fits for my hand. Next, let's start how to make. I'm going to take this string and check my hand size. I got the string here. Now let's start. I'm going to take the butterfly first because that's my favorite. Let's put this in. Okay. See, it came inside the rope and I kept it all over here. Then I'm going to pick this. I'm going to pick the candy. The candy, we can put it inside. See? I put the candy. And another butterfly. Another one. Pull it inside, and I'm going to put this heart shape that says love. Put it in. Okay, I'm going to pull this also in. Okay, I got 4 inside. I'm going to put these beads in. First the blue bead. Then the pink bead. And also the purple bead. I'm going to do something fun in this bracelet. I'm going to get one of this color, and I put this in here, and I put the small heart in. See, I put the small heart in, and I pull. See? Okay, I'm putting that inside. It came. Now it's double heart. See? Now I'm going to put some roses. I like rose. It always smells good. Always smells good. Okay, I'm done with the rose. So, I'm going to put this in. What if I use some fruits in this? I'm going to put a cherry. The cherry will go sliding down. Come on, cherry. And I'm going to try this candy also. Another blue candy. Blue candy. So I'm going to repeat over here. So I'm going to take the string and put the same. Where's the pink? I'm going to take the pink butterfly now, or the yellow butterfly. I tossed it in and in you go. Wow, this is a long string. And now I'm going to just get, oops, I got that. Now I'm going to do Now I'm going to put another candy. I'm going to just take the pink color. I love pink. See? It's so cute. Candy. I'm going to toss it in the string. So, I'm putting it. You can see it come out. And go in. Whoa. This is big. And another butterfly, of course. Hey, where did the butterfly go? The pink one, the pink butterfly is always best. Pink is always girly. Oh no, I got it. Okay. I'm done with the pink butterfly. Now I'm going to put 3 beads again. Now I'm going to put a different color bead, like this teal color. Oh, where did that go? Here is the teal color. Okay, I'm putting this in. Till it goes. And another bead, that's yellow. The yellow bead, that's it. I'm done. Put this bead. Hey, it's not coming out. Okay, I'm done. I finished the bracelet. I tied it and I cut the rope. Now I'm going to wear and show you. It came out pretty well, and I like this this heart inside a heart, and thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button down below. Bye.